How to make the line displace effect. Today's video is sponsored by my future car. Open your clip in the Fusion page and add a merge node. Bring a Luma Kia node in empty space, connect your clip to this and drag it to the left viewer. Adjust the gamma slider to your liking. Add a transform node after, and connect it to the merge node as a foreground. Uncheck the use size and aspect box, and increase the Y size slider to 20. Select the merge node, and add a displace node after. Connect the transform node to the green point of the displace. Select the displace node and increase the refraction strength slider all the way. Adjust the spread slider to your liking, and this super not useful effect is ready. If you like this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, there is not many things you can do about it.